Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn switch case statement in Java. Okay, so what is switch case statement? Okay, first we use if else statement when we have two conditions. In situation we have more than two possible condition, we may use switch else statement. Like we may use switch statement. Like yeah, we can use else statement, but I usually prefer switch case statement in this type of condition. Okay, so let's see. We are gonna create a program in which there is a hero who needs to move in four direction. Okay, so he wants to go for like if we declare int 1, then he will go to east. If we declare int 2, he will go to west. Okay, so we need to declare it. We need to solve this. Okay, that's quite easy. For now we have declared a hero int hero. Okay, so we will use switch, and here the brackets come because we are using an intelligent compiler IDE, which stands for integrated development environment. So we will put the variable name inside the bracket, so hero. Okay, and we will open up big braces like this, and we will if so. What is the case here? Case 1 is 1, and we will use colon here, not semicolon. South moving east. Okay, that's it. Moving east, and we need to break this so that it gets out of this switch statement. Okay, so case 1 done. Now let's do again switch hero, again curly braces, case 2 shout, which stands for system out print, a short form for printing statements, moving west, again break, again switch hero because the variable name is hero, hero, case, so 1 2 3, south moving south, again break, again switch hero, case, because in which case the hero is moving, so case here is 3, south moving north, and break. So let's run this. Okay, so moving east because the the variable hero is declared 1. So if we declare 3 here, it will moving north. It will move north. Wait, how do I fix this? There's some error here. Oh, here I have just declared 3. We need to declare 4, case 4. Now it will show up moving south. Yeah, and if we put 4 here, it will declare moving north. So yeah, this is it's as simple as it is, not a rocket science here, because switch case statements, we use switch case statements to if we have more than two possible conditions in Java. And yeah, you can even use else if statement, but I usually prefer switch case statement, which is quite cool, and it makes sense. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, you learned it. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. subscribe the channel and like, share, and do whatever you want.